Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install some games on OPPO Air Pad, but you can't seem to find them in a Google Play Store. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store and actually try to find some games like Call of Duty. So right here we have an icon, but if we tap on it, nothing happens. The same as with basically most of the games, and let's try Diablo Immortal as well. To fix this, go back to the main page of a Google Play Store. Click on your profile picture, then head on to the settings, reveal family, and enter parental controls. Here you can either disable them entirely or go for apps and games, then insert your PIN code, increase PG to at least a 16 or 18, and make sure to save those settings afterwards. If you go back and try to find the game again, they should be visible and available for the install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.